We're at Civic Park in Mobbery under the city of Gully. We're doing a GPS irrigation assessment for all their assets here, so sprinklers, valves, controllers, that sort of thing. What we've done is we've located all the sprinklers on site, so they've got it down to 1 centimetre accuracy of where those actual sprinklers are, what station they are, what the condition is of that sprinkler, so whether that's tilted, sunken, whether it's okay, whether it's I guess the wrong model or wrong nozzle. We also are recording the brand and the model of that sprinkler and also what station it is. Yeah, so we're doing a couple of DU tests as well, just to give them an indication of the uniformity that they're achieving with the current system that's in place. DU being distribution of uniformity. That basically collects the lowest 25% against the average of the cans that we collect, which we'll go through later. But we're also going to do some resistance testing across the valves back at the controller. There's a little bit of problem being reported from the council regarding communication from controller to valve. So we're just going to do some tests to see, wire integrity. And see if those coils are all in shape as well. Yeah, so the council will get an updated PDF, printable PDF to scale of it as constructed of what we've collected today. So they'll see all the sprinklers out on the plan. They'll see an icon of those sprinklers, whether it be red, yellow or green. Red being that it's broken, it's leaking water, it needs to be actioned straight away. Yellow, it's operational, but it's got some issues that need to be rectified, and green means it's fine, we can move on from that. They can see all that infrastructure there on that plan and keep that in the whether it's in the controller cabinets or on file back at depot as well. Predominantly it's both. They see the council can obviously grab, or the client can take that and have a crew or hand that to someone else to look after as well. But one option is they can take that plan and walk around site and collate how many broken sprinklers there are and obviously order X amount of sprinklers to replace. But also if they will say, let's say there's 10 sprinklers that are tilted, they can come out there, know where they are on the plan, immediately dig that up, rectify that sprinkler and move on, or use that plan to be able to create a budget for a contractor to come in and actually do those repairs for them. No, we do this work for not just councils, but for schools. We do them for sporting clubs. We also do them for, larger residentials for those that want to do it as well. And we are surveying golf courses as well. So all assets for golf courses, greens, bunkers, fairways as well. So our contact information is on our website, all their email addresses, phone numbers, waterpro.com.au, you'll find all the details there, or you can reach out via email at designs@waterpro.com.au.